Ma'am in the pink blouse. Can you please stop playing your music? Did I ask if that was your daughter's toy? No, I did not. No, I did not. Hello, she's the forgetful one, remember? Oh, so you guys want to gang up on me now? Don't come to me because I'm going to read your ass up to God. The Roman gods, you idiot. Yes, there is. If you paid attention in history, there is. There's Zeus, Hera. Why is it boo head?
Who's that God?
Jesus.
Say it, sister.
Jesus, girl.
I can testify.
Be proud, because you know you feel ashamed of God. What is my daughter feel ashamed of God, right? My daughter, right, Annie?
Yeah.
Where is your daughter?
She's at home. We're at
Why aren't you home with your daughter? And what business was that? Go down to Pupuole?
Yes, girl.
And who is your daughter with right now? Are you sure that she's home with your daddy and your daddy's not out? Why do you chew your gum like that?
Why you asking too much questions?
Is that your real hair?
It is my full hair.
Are you sure? You could easily glue them to your head. I don't want to do that, and then I see a big old ponytail right when I pull it off.
I didn't get it. What did you say? So then you go see one. You see?
Curls just do not match for you, girl.
What match?
Nothing.
So should I go bald?
Yes.
No.
And your name should be Sean.
Yes. What have you done? I forgive you. Stop. I forgive you.
I didn't say sorry.
My grandma. Oh, where's she?
Where are you guys going? I thought you guys get off of here.
They live Makaha.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so I'm the first one getting off?
Yeah.
We are.
Where
At
were
the
you guys getting
transit.
off? Oh, yeah, there's transit. And then I get off at the one.
Where you get off?
You live at
Memorial.
Where you live?
Across. I live across the way.
Very good.
Everyone looks so bored. Would you like to say something?
Yes. I had a splendid day today. Up until, you know, I had to clean the house. And that was so derogatory because
What is the meaning of derogatory?
derogatory is, you know, if you look in the dictionary, then there's the meaning.
But do you know what it means?
No, I just know how to put it in a sentence.
But what if it doesn't match in the sentence?
Well, it matches when you say it at that time. So, yeah.
What was the word?
What word?
The word you said.
Derogatory.
Spell it.
IT.
No,
Thought I
spell.
was dumb, but I'm dumb.
No.
I heard that joke long time, okay?
No, spell derogatory.
DEROGATORY.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I was spelling bee champ 6th grade, okay, so don't even go there.
Okay.
She said.
What?
She's saying you spelled it wrong.
Because you spelled it wrong.
Watch, they're going to end up fighting, they're coming big, then turn best friends again.
So ugly, your gun.
Should you know?
Want me to blow your head off?
Do it.
It's not real.
Boom.
I did that too.
You did. You katsu already.
Chicken.
Oh.
Chicken katsu. wants to.
Bitch, you don't want mama fucking bazooka.
Stuff requested.
Oh yeah. Oh no, like no, turn off. No, stop.
Okay, well, gotta go. Bye.